Hey Tigers, my name is Nate Warnsman, and I'm here to give you the campus weather forecast for a very warm and sunny Monday afternoon. But we're actually going to have to be talking about severe weather because tomorrow we've got a chance of severe weather for a good chunk of the country. Starting here in Texas, got a level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk for some severe thunderstorms, and a level 2 risk in the states of Oklahoma, Arkansas, Kansas, and even parts of Missouri. But what's going to be affecting us is going to be this northern portion of this severe weather chances. We have a level 3 risk spanning from around central Missouri through Illinois and into Indiana, with Columbia being right on the edge of that slight level 2 and that enhanced level 3 risk. And that level 3 risk includes Quincy, Peoria, Champaign, Davenport, and even Chicago. So if you know someone in those places, maybe let them know that, hey, we could have some severe weather tomorrow in those areas. And this is what it could be looking like through tomorrow. So this is at 12 o'clock. We're already up to 78 degrees. We're going to be warm right off the bat tomorrow. And we also are experiencing some sunny skies tomorrow at around this time. And that will allow for a lot of energy to build up and be ready for those thunderstorms to tap into. We're going to be continuing to be sunny throughout the day. This is at 3 o'clock once again, sunny and up to 82 degrees. So it is going to be very warm tomorrow and very unusual for this time of year. By about 7 o'clock, we'll start to see some storms firing, especially north of Columbia. Now, these storms could turn into something bigger if only one small thing can just make these storms pop, and they can just blow up on us. So we have to watch out for these as we move into tomorrow afternoon and see if these storms actually will be some severe thunderstorms potentially. Now, our main risk, or what the models are saying right now, is that we will be seeing our thunderstorms at around 11:30, and that's going to be our risk for severe thunderstorms that night. And that will last for only a little bit, only a couple of hours until Wednesday morning. We do have another chance of rain. Now, we also had a cold front that moved through during that time and during the time of that storm passage, and we'll be dropping temperatures significantly. And I'll have more on that in a second. But 8:45, mostly some showers and thunderstorms to the south, but we could see some lingering thunderstorms in central Missouri at that time. But by about 9 o'clock at night, the clouds will be gone, the rain will be gone, and we'll be left with some more clear skies on that night. So this is what we will have, our likelihood of severe weather. Our tornado risk is possible, but the main threat is going to be the large hail and the damaging winds, and especially on Tuesday night, more like closer to midnight. So I would say that if you are out at that time, to maybe cut those plans short and be sure to be inside during that time of severe weather. We also have a chance of flooding if those storms decide to linger around. But isolated severe thunderstorms are possible Tuesday evening and through the night, and that is going to be that's the main story for this week. Our other main story this week is the warmer temperatures. It is 82 degrees right now, with that feels like at 81 degrees. Our dew point is at 55 degrees, so we are very dry, and our wind speed is south-southwest at 18 miles an hour, bringing in a lot of warmer wind, or bringing in a lot of wind that is warmer and bringing in those warmer temperatures with it. So here's a look outside at satellite and radar. We are completely clear. We have some clouds to our south and some thunderstorms in Arkansas pushing into Tennessee and into Mississippi and Alabama, but those will continue to move eastward and will not be impacting us. Now, the reason why we are seeing these warmer temperatures is because of our winds. They're coming in from the southwest, which is where a lot of warm air originates from, and is being pushed into mid-Missouri and into Columbia. So we are fairly windy today, of wind gusts of around 25 to 30 miles an hour, and that'll continue into tomorrow. A little bit windier, actually, in the 30 mile an hour to 35 mile an hour range. Still coming in from the southwest, so still seeing that warmer air, and that's why we're seeing those temperatures climb up to almost 85 degrees tomorrow. Once that storm system passes through, our wind shifts, or our wind gusts and our wind speeds and direction are going to shift. They're going to be coming in from the north to the northwest, and so that's where we're going to be seeing a lot of cooler weather start to pour in. We're also seeing a lot of wind gusts up to around 25 to 30 miles an hour there as well. So pretty windy week, but we're going to be seeing a lot of cooler air move in after that cold front passes through tomorrow during those storms. And it's reflected here as well. Tuesday, 85 degrees, our warmest day of the week, warmest day of the year actually so far, before going back to reality in those upper 50s and lower 60s. And then another cool down is going to happen Saturday into Sunday and into Monday, back to almost feeling like winter again at the beginning of next week. Tonight it is going to be 50 degrees. We're going to be mostly clear, winds still out of the southwest. And tomorrow, ramping up to 85 degrees, partly cloudy skies, and those winds still at the south at 18 miles an hour, with those gusts up to 30 to 35 miles an hour. And our 7-day forecast, seeing those temperatures rise tomorrow, but then drop substantially Wednesday. And then we're going to kind of level out in those 50s and 60s before some more rain on Sunday that will be bringing in another cold front and dropping those temperatures into those 30s by the start of next week.